Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Omelette Maggi. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of your favorite Maggi noodles, 2 large eggs, and about 1/4 cup of finely chopped vegetables like onions, bell peppers, or carrots. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, salt to taste, and a pinch of black pepper. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's cook the Maggi noodles. In a small pan, bring about 1½ cups of water to a boil. Once boiling, add your Maggi noodles along with the included taste maker. Stir gently and cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until the noodles are soft and most of the water has been absorbed. Make sure to drain any remaining water so your omelet isn't soggy. Next, we'll prepare the omelet mixture. Crack your 2 large eggs into a mixing bowl and whisk them vigorously until they are light and frothy. Then, add your cooked Maggi noodles and the 1/4 cup of chopped vegetables to the egg mixture. Season with salt to your liking and a pinch of black pepper. Gently fold everything together, ensuring the noodles and vegetables are evenly distributed throughout the egg. Finally, let's cook our omelette Maggi. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, pour the entire Maggi omelet mixture into the pan, spreading it out evenly. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until it's beautifully golden brown and fully set. Serve your warm, delicious omelette Maggi immediately for a delightful meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.